Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be preparing a Cajun dish named Jambalaya, which was introduced to me by a friend in Louisiana. So today I'm going to try that dish. So stay tuned and watch the process, guys. But first, I'm going to prepare the Cajun seasoning. So guys, I'm going to start with the seasoning. First, I need 3 tablespoons of salt. Two tablespoons of black pepper. 1 tablespoon white pepper. 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon sweet paprika. 1.5 tablespoon all-purpose. Now we're going to mix all the seasoning together. Just stir it. Combine everything. This is it, guys. The next step, guys, is preparing my sausage. I'm using 3 types of meat, guys. Turkey sausage. I'm using chicken, which is deboned chicken leg. I'm gonna cut it into cubes, and also I'm gonna use a red snapper fillet. It's not a lot of fish, but the chicken and the sausage will make up. I'm gonna cut this 1/2 inch thick. Next step, guys, is to prepare my chicken. I'm gonna cut my chicken into cubes. As I said before, it's deboned chicken legs. Okay, guys, let me clean up this board now. Rinse it off in some soap water and bleach. Now it's time to season this chicken with this Cajun seasoning. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set this aside. Also the sausage. Now, guys, it's time to season my fish. Guys, I'm gonna also put a bit of olive oil on the chicken just to get it. Now guys, it's time to brown the chicken. So I'm using about maybe a tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay guys, my pot is hot. Now I'm gonna put my chicken to brown. Yes guys, I think my fish is ready. Guys, time to saute my onion, celery, and bell pepper. Okay guys, now to prepare my crushed tomato. Also guys, I'm gonna prepare my garlic. I have 5 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna smash them and finely chop them. I'm adding my garlic to it. Now guys, I'm gonna add also 2 teaspoons of the Cajun seasoning on it. Okay guys, I'm adding a bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, wow, this thing is smelling good. Guys, I will be adding 1 tablespoon tomato paste. I am also adding my crushed tomato. Now we're gonna add my chicken stock. I'm adding 6 cups of chicken stock. I'm gonna use 3 cups of rice. This is 2 cups of chicken stock. Adding another 8 ounces. This is another 8 ounces. Guys, I'm gonna also add 2 tablespoons Worcester sauce. Now I will be adding my chicken also. My sausage. Also my rice. I already washed my rice. This is 3 cups of rice. I'm also adding another spoonful of my seasoning, the Cajun seasoning. Guys, I'm gonna let this cook now for 30 minutes. Alright guys, I need to prepare this scallion, otherwise known as green onion, for the final phase of the cooking. Oh guys, I'm fluffing my rice. Oh, this looks good. Taking out the bay leaf. I'm gonna also add the fish. Just a few pieces of fish. And my scallion. Most of the white part.